DecoNetwork makes it easy to display social media links on your website. Simply go into the Edit Website Pages, click on Design, Social Site Links, and this is where you can enter in what is referred to as the global social media links. So I could go on to Facebook, for example, and what you want to do is gather everything after the .com. Really after the backslash. So I could put it in here, facebook.com/DecoNetwork/ and click Save. Now, within widgets, I can come down to social network links at the bottom here, drag it onto the page, and I can choose to use the global links or input my own. Now I'm going to refresh the page because that's all I really need to do here. We'll come back to widgets, scroll down, social network links, re-drag it onto the page. You're going to see that that global link is there, and I can configure the widget accordingly. You know, hey, how big do I want the icon to be? What do I want the color to be? What do I want the color to be when it's hovered? And so forth. It's really that easy. You can enter the social media links directly within the widget, or again within design, social site links. This is where we're going to put kind of our global links that really are never changing. It just makes sense. If you have any questions on how to add your social media links or anything else related to DecoNetwork software, simply come to the support resources or visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.